Nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. Good morning to you and welcome to Live Tuesday. I'm Dan Thomas and right here on Cool 97 FM we're going to thrill you for the next 2 hours as we bring you live performances. Here's a bit about this morning's guests. We have recording artist Hugo Barrington, known for chart-topping songs. You know it, you know, la-di-la-di, right? Okay, so known for chart-topping hits, including Lottie Lottie and It's Over. He's also a lawyer by profession and he's actually managed to do that incredible work of merging his worlds with an event. It's actually a series known as Professionals in Cabaret. His latest single, Secret Affair, is a Lovers Rock #1, and it's co-written with the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown. And from the heart of Kingston emerges a soulful talent of Janelle Mills. She's gone from school choir to band, to gracing global stages with the best of them as background vocalist, to holding her very own as a recording artist. And her new single, Johnny, is out now, and we'll be hearing all about that and much more. Also joining us this morning is the artist who goes by the name Soba. Her single, Sinadem, was recently released, and we'll hear all about her artistic development in this musical journey. We also have Lady Da Flame, who is passing through Cool 97 FM. And you probably remember her song, God Answers Prayers. Yes, we're going to hear more about that particular recording and what she's been up to. Yes, it's a quick stop by Cool 97 FM and then flying out. So, yeah, we're lucky we got her this morning. So we're going to start with her in the next few minutes. And also hitting our stage this morning is Trasdegenic. Trasdegenic, I think is how it's pronounced, formerly known as Alcatraz, is a sing-jay delivering a mix of eclectic musical genres. He's been working with the likes of Steely and Clevie, among others, and has an album project on the way. The first segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by our kind sponsors, FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, the official caterers of Live Tuesday, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Ask about the vegan veggie balls when next you go to the major supermarkets island-wide, and call 876 458-9859 to place your orders. We have Key Mix Audio. The mix is key for PA system and audio support. Now, you can watch this morning's performances by visiting Cool 97 FM's website, KOOL97fm.com, and clicking on the Live Tuesday tile. All right, so that should be pretty easy. So, what we're going to do right now, we're just going to have one little sit down with Lady Da Flame. I have to say thank you to you for making it to the nation's coolest so early in the morning, and literally I think we intercepted you perhaps on your way to the airport. But thank you for being here this morning, and we're going to hear more about you and your musical journey. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to raise this up a little for you. Okay. All right. So, hi, and you're Jamaican, aren't you?
Yes, I'm originally born in Washington, D.C., though.
Really?
Yes, but I have Jamaican parentage, so, you know, yeah.
Nice to have you
Yes,
here.
yes.
So tell us, music.
Mhm.
When did you begin this foray into the music business?
I've actually been singing from the age of 2, but professionally, 20 plus years.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm known as before I was known as Lady Flame. I'm known as the Flame, especially within the gospel sector. And we decided to join the name so that people can find all my music on one platform.
Ah.
So that's why it's Lady the Flame.
Okay.
Now.
makes
Yes,
sense.
yes.
Bring it all together. Okay. So musically,
Yes.
which record label are you a part of, or are you do you have your own record label? Because
Yeah,
I notice
so
a lot of artists are doing that now,
there,
setting up their
yeah,
own.
I'm under Rob on Productions, so that's management, and that's also he produces most of my music. We work with other producers as well. I have a couple tracks, produced by Richie Stevens and many others, and but that's my main home. That's my home, Rob on Productions. Yeah.
What brought you to Jamaica?
I'm here, for promotional reasons, but also I will be performing later tonight, and at some other events as well. Dance Hall Thursdays as well. I'm here. I have to big up McCoy. He's also a producer for one of my tracks too as well. Hold the Fort. So we're here on some work and just touching the ground. Let everybody can put the face and the name to the music that they've been hearing. So.
This time around, have you got a chance to team up with, well, you mentioned Richie Stevens earlier.
Yes.
Have you got a chance to team up with any other, whether musicians or producers, to work on projects that are, in your estimation, going to be masterful?
Yeah, and actually you have it the other way around. So we just landed yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'll be here for the week for a few days. We're not leaving for right now, so the journey just began. So yeah.
Okay, but it would be nice if
Yes,
the
definitely.
connections can be made.
Oh yeah, definitely,
Well,
definitely. We're gonna reach out, and if they want to reach out to us, they can. They can just reach Rob on +1 240 305 6959, and we get some work done.
Or I can just call Mikey because you
Yeah,
went
there
through,
we go.
you went
Yeah,
through those
Mikey.
numbers
No,
a while ago incredibly fast.
No,
But we'll write it down.
Okay.
All right. Now, the song, God Answers Prayers,
Yes, ma'am.
is that your writing?
Original work,
Is that
yes.
your writing?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're a songwriter as well?
Yes, I'm a songwriter as well.
Do you do most, if not all, of your writing?
Yes, I do most, close to all, but there are some projects, as I named before, even with Richie Stevens, it was me and Beanie Man who did No Obia Man. Also, I have a recent song out, We Belong Together, on the rhythm, Friends and Family rhythm that he has as well. Yeah, see, a lot of people don't know it's me. My song Still the Prior featuring Glamour Wayne is doing excellent here in Jamaica as well. I am the woman behind that, the little lady behind that, yes.
You know, these are some interesting collaborations.
Yeah,
Somehow
man.
I wasn't expecting to hear
Yes.
those names.
Yeah,
But,
and so I definitely, this to me, this trip to me is important because Jamaica really helped to put me on the map, especially as far as gospel music goes. So I definitely wanted to touch ground, and
I really am curious. As
you're
to
curious
what
now.
I am really curious.
Well, Dan, our gospel segment, which is on the second Tuesday of the
Yes.
month, right, where that passed, but we had to grab her hold of her
Yes.
to do this song. So it's a precursor to what we want to have to do with you.
Yes.
You have an album coming up, and nice to here with us. We would love that.
Oh, yeah.
And one of the songs with the Bean Man, which she did, when Beanie Man said Guza Man, I put the last, I heard that is in that song. But anyway,
Yes.
love it.
Yes.
Wonderful.
So how many albums have you got to date?
Well, I have 2 albums and 1 EP. I just dropped a Lovers Rock EP, a matter of fact, and that song is doing extremely well here. That was #1 on the charts in New York. I did a tribute to Phyllis Dillon. So yeah, so I did. She look for me like whoever
Really?
come from. Yeah,
Listen, this woman's career is all over the place.
yeah, but I did a tribute to Phyllis Dillon, and it's a medley. 3 of her hit songs.
Why Phyllis Dillon?
Oh, that's one artist I love from back. I'm an old soul, and as you can see, I'm all over. Maybe it's the Gemini in me, but I love music, and some project we said we wanted to introduce the lovers rock side of me, so we chose her and a few of her hit songs, and that song, I mean that track is doing well down here, and it's charting, still charting, and I'm excited about that. And here's the producer right there, Rob on Productions. He's the producer behind that track. So yeah, it's still charting #1 5 consecutive weeks on the TFRN charts. Big up Clinton Lindsay, big up NCMG, Sony Records. So yeah, so that one's doing extremely well.
Who would you like to record with next? Because listen, I hear in Beanie Man, I hear Glamour Wayne, I hear
Yeah.
I'm interested. Who, if you got that ultimate opportunity to record with a Jamaican act, who would it be? if they were to call you right now on the phone.
Should we say another Jamaican?
No, man. All right, we've already cleared some of them.
Okay.
Who would that person be?
Boy. Male, I would say I love Barry Salmon. And I haven't done any work with him yet. So Barry, you hear me? Yeah.
You know how many people have come in here saying they would love to record with him?
Yes, Barry. Oh my gosh, I love Barry.
What kind of song would you do with Barris?
Wow. I'm open for anything.
No, if you had
but
the,
me,
you
if I had
had,
to do
you
it,
had the opportunity to direct everything.
I think we would do like a Lovers Rock feel, something encouraging. Cause Bears just have that voice and that feel good music. You know what I mean? That you just anytime you put it on, you're just like it don't matter what mood you're in.
Okay.
So I definitely would love to do something like that. You know? So Barry, you hear me? All right.
You're speaking so.
Well, if he hasn't heard, there are others in his camp who
Yes.
have heard. All right. So now you're going to perform for us this morning.
Yes.
Okay. How many tracks are you going to do?
So God Answers Prayers. This is my major track here. I gotta, like I said, I have to big up Jamaica. Me say before we even like officially release this track, WhatsApp and all those other social media platforms, people were just sending it across the place, and it charted #1 for a long time. We didn't even know about it. So, definitely want to big up down here. And when I sing the song, I think you'll be familiar with it. You just probably wouldn't think it was me that's singing it.
Which other one are you going to do?
Okay. So, and then also I'm going to do a little piece of Hold the Fort. That's a big up McCoy, like I said, big producer in our place.
Okay.
So,
all right.
yeah.
So while you take to our stage, and yes, you can say good morning to your viewers on the social media platforms. We're also going to be streaming on KOOL97fm.com. So the happenings in studio and the happenings on the outside for our performers, you'll be able to catch all of that. Just click on the Live Tuesday tile. All right, so I'm going to do some back announcing. You're going to go outside and you're going to do your thing. All right. So thanks for joining us. So Lady DeFlame, our first guest on Cool 97 FM, this morning as we bring you yet another edition where we have live performances between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. Remember, Key Mix Audio, the mix is key for PA system and audio support. Thanks as well to the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, official caterers of Live Tuesday, and FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange.
KOOL.
Cool 97 Radio.
Big up Cool FM. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, and in the darkest nights, you are close like no other. Yes, I know you as my Father, and I know you as my friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Yeah, 'cause all my life you have been faithful. Could have been fair, and all my life you have been so good, yeah. With every breath that I am able, yes, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah, your goodness is running after me. Cool as sunset. Your goodness is running after me. Yeah, with my life laid down, I surrender now. I give him everything. Say yeah, yeah. I said it's running. Say your goodness is running after me. Cool as sunset. Your goodness is, I said it's running. Yeah, with my life laid down, I surrender now. I give him everything. Say yeah, yeah. I said it's running to me. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good, yeah, yeah. With every breath that I am able, yes, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life, say, all my life you have been faithful. Cool up and say, and all my life you have been so good, yeah. With every breath that I am able, yes, I will sing of the goodness of God. Good and bad will sing of the goodness of God.
On our stage, Lady DeFlame. Tactic world-famous brands of tools distributed by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing are available at all leading hardware stores island-wide. Call 876-758-5583. The time by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, it is now 7:32 a.m.
Hi, I'm Ethan Malcolm. Here's a cool message for Child Month. The best way to predict your future is to create it. A cool message for Child Month.
Bag it, bin it, and we'll collect it. Properly bag, tie, and place household waste in a container and store it in areas easily accessible to our sanitation workers. This waste management tip is brought to you by the NSWMA, One Jamaica. Make we clean up the place.
Don't miss it! New Budget Supplies premium massive yard sale. 5 crazy days. days.
New budget gone crazy.
May 17 to 22.
Yes, boy.
Clearance on old or damaged stock up to 50% off. Including lumber, doors, toilets, drywalls, PVC pipes, and clearance on broken tiles.
I want some of that.
We've got specials on paints, film face ply, zinc, and so much more.
I want that too.
You can't afford to miss this crazy hot sale.
That new budget, do it again.
Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. Text In Tuesday, it's sponsored by
Lanco Paints, durable by nature.
Quintana Pharmacy, it's all good inside.
Home and Things Limited, brands you know, brands you can trust.
Get ready for a taste of Jamaica right here in the heart of Kingston. Join us every Tuesday from 5 to 11 p.m. at Kingston Night Market, where the spirit of Jamaica comes alive. Immerse yourself in authentic Jamaican arts, culture, cuisine, and entertainment. Savor the flavors of jerked foods, dance to the reggae rhythms, and explore the vibrant marketplace filled with local crafts and amazing treasures. Come out to Kingston Night Market, where magic happens every week. See you there.
Mothers know what's best. Fried chicken, nobody can test. Full of flavor, full of finesse. Mother's chicken, we love to the fullest. Mothers know what's right. Hunger takes flight soon as they try it. Full of flavor, chicken, heavy bite. To the fullest, we love mother's chicken, feel life. Try the jerk, sweet chili, and the fried, them are full filling. Full belly and full me a joy to the fullest. Mother's chicken, me enjoy to the fullest.
Celebrate Labor Day the right way with unbeatable deals at The Paint Shop for a limited time only. Enjoy up to 30% off select interior and exterior PPG paints. But wait, there's more. We're spreading the Labor Day cheer even further with 10% off store-wide. Don't miss out on these amazing savings, even on marine, pool and chalk paints, wood stains, and U-Paul Raptor. Valid May 15 to May 25, 2024. Visit us today at 51 Upper Waterloo Road, Kingston, or 97 Main Street, Ocho Rios.
Want to hear some cool head-nodding, seat-rocking throwback tunes and more? Keep your radio locked to Cool Rhythms Tuesdays 1 to 5 p.m. with Norn Price and Mixmaster Marvin. Thanks to our sponsors, New Walters Pharmacy, everything exceptional. Tune in each week to hear your favorite jams Tuesdays on Cool 97 FM.
For matters of the heart, Partners Interventional Center of Jamaica, PICJ, is your cardiac center of excellence. Located in the Medical Associates Hospital, we diagnose, treat, and help prevent heart disease, offering ECGs, echocardiograms, blood pressure monitoring, and more. We also perform advanced heart treatments like coronary stenting and pacemaker insertions at our state-of-the-art facilities. For matters of the heart, trust the cardiac experts. Partners Interventional Center, PICJ, your partners for life.
Are you searching for a loan to cover personal expenses? Look no further. The Jamaica Civil Service Mutual Thrift Society has you covered.
It's a Cool 97 FM early morning party. Live Tuesday kicks off May 21 from 7 to 9 a.m. with featured performances from the legendary Hugo Barrington. But first, we're catching up with Traz the Genic. Then we hear from Soba. And Janelle Mills takes to the stage with new music. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, on air and streaming on cool97fm.com. It's brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, and Key Mix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
Is not a liability, it is an asset. Let's treat it as such. Make your first instinct one of including, not excluding. And as we get to our final commercial, letting you know, are you searching for parts for your Mazda vehicle? Stop by Maljam Auto Parts, your specialist for all Mazda vehicles. Check out their wide collection of new and used body and engine parts at 9 Kingswood Avenue, Kingston 10, Mondays to Saturdays. Call 876-901-7853 or 876-461-1786 for more information. Maljam Auto Parts. They source hard to get Mazda parts. This is Cool 97 FM. And you are inside of the program Mellow Morning, the segment Live Tuesday. So we have to say thank you to our sponsors. And at this juncture, our credits go to FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Live Tuesday continues with a segment brought to you by Cool sponsor Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. Watch the live stream by visiting cool97fm.com and clicking on the Live Tuesday tile. And right now, we are going to have a little chit-chat before we get to the performance with Traz Degenic, our guest on Cool 97 FM. So, at this point, I want to say good morning to all our listeners who have just joined us for Live Tuesday. We're hoping that you'll be able to stay with us all the way up to 9 o'clock this morning. All right, so good morning to you and welcome. How are you?
Yeah, blessed love.
Okay.
It's a pleasure to have me.
All right, so let's find out a bit about you. Traz Degenic, when did you start having an appreciation for music to the point where you wanted to do it professionally?
Well, at the age 12, my friend them encouraged me, yeah.
Really?
I used to perform on school concert and such, but I used to do track and field and play football.
Oh.
But my friend them encouraged me and I started out from there. I leave Bulby All-Age School and went to Vauxhall. I went to Vauxhall secondary at the time, and you have a dub studio named Arrows used to there nearby. I used to hang out there when I leave school. So and I gained a lot of experience from there, and I do my first song 1995 for Steely and Clevie, and from there the journey continued.
So you've been working with Steely and Clevie ever since?
No, I just do I do one song for them.
All right. Now, you've watched the music change over the span of your career. What's been a significant lesson for you? Find something stylistically or otherwise that you realize, need to change my way of performing and go with the flow in that direction.
Well, I learned, I'll practice on a sound system named Soundbuster, where is the foundation rhythm I used to I practice on.
Oh.
To build up my skills of doing music.
Oh. So give us an idea of, do you do dub plates? Do you do backing vocals for artists? Are you just a solo act? Give us the range of your skill set.
Well, dub plate, I do dub plate. I never do backup yet. I do dub plate because Arrow Studio, I used to hang out there after I leave school and such. What I tell you, I learn, I get a lot of experience out there. I do dub plate and such.
Wow. Okay, Mikey, when we're ready, we have a dub plate, all right? Now, talk to us about your upcoming project.
Yeah, I'm working on my album now. Named Rooted.
Rooted?
Rooted, coming out soon.
How soon?
By November, December.
Oh, okay. How many tracks?
16 tracks.
Wow. You've written all of the songs?
Yeah, I've written all of them. And me and Scatter Bannick working over the years, about 25 years now. Him is my mentor.
Yes.
And me and him putting out the album with my wife, Lydia Campbell. We have a label, RRC Entertainment.
Okay.
And Scatter label is Gap Band.
Ah, wow. Okay, so this morning you're going to give us a sample of some of the pieces?
Yeah. I can give you 3 tracks what going on the album.
Okay, so this is one way of getting feedback on it. All right, so Mikey, we're in for big things. All right, so I'm going to invite you right now, our guest right now on Cool 97, Traz Degenic, and he's going to be performing for us 3 tracks we're going to hear from the upcoming album. All right, so thanks for being our guest in studio.
Thanks,
all right, so the stage is yours. Let's see what you're going to do.
All right, blessed.
All right, blessings to you too. right, nice. All right, upcoming album. 16 tracks. All right, so at this point, let's just get through some of our business and let you know that this segment brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. Remember, live streaming going on this morning on KOOL97fm.com, and you click on the Live Tuesday tile. So we'll have another guest as soon as Transdegenic is through with his performance on Cool.
Cool 97 Radio.
Remember just I tell you no, them lose. Whoa, yeah. The whole place did under curfew. Me still a work to get a breakthrough. Have so much patience, practice by many but master by few. Burning, never stop, the wheels keep turning. Sick and tired of your minimum earning. Fire burning, I work more than the euro and the UK sterling. Burning, never stop, the wheels keep turning. Sick and tired of your minimum earning. Fire burning, I work more than the CI and the UK sterling. Night and day a light. Big up the street sweepers and the people them we work on the site. The teachers and the nurses and the plumber we fix the pipe. The public service man we run the wrist to fix the light. Domestic helper and the postman we ride the bike. From you willing to work you deserve a good life. More work, less pay, more tax, high price. As some me know say Babylon now move right. Burning, never stop, the wheels keep turning. Sick and tired of your minimum earning. Fire burning, I work more than the euro and the UK sterling. Burning, never stop, the wheels keep turning. Sick and tired of your minimum earning. Fire burning, I work more than the US and the UK sterling. Time get hard and things are get redder. To home me sit me off a big up all the seller. Make one Coca-Cola basket just to make $1. Big up the people who sell the clothes, the shoes, the umbrella. Back to man biscuit, man I live good together. All who get redundant and all who get fire. All mask you over this so hold and retire. Man don't press up, me put a fire. Burning, never stop, the wheels keep turning. Sick and tired of your minimum burning. Fire burning, different track. Yeah, Cool FM is a pleasure. Yeah, it's a pleasure. Cool FM. Yeah, Michael Thompson, Diane Thomas. Massive, don't panic. This is Charles the Genic. Tell them say health over wealth. Yeah. Live a healthy lifestyle. Health over wealth. Material is vanity. We no put that in front humanity. All when you have the most money in the bank, when you're gone, they bring staff, all you go to no cemetery. Health over wealth. Material is vanity. We no put that in front humanity. People who no try to live a better lifestyle and stop fight over house and kill people over property. The earth is the foundation of the most I set it. Born come see it and you go way back left it. Salvation lasts forever, you better run, go and go get it. True vanity, you make your sister brother kick the bucket. Greedy like the dog will lose him bone and regret it. Simple Simon, all him afraid fi accept it. Keep this in mind and try not forget it. Healthy lifestyle, they reject it. Health over wealth, material is vanity. We no put that in front humanity. And when you have the most money in the bank, when you gone the brings, now follow you go to no cemetery. Health over wealth, material is vanity. We no put that in front humanity. People people who no try to live a better lifestyle and stop fight over house and kill people over property. It doesn't matter about the money that you spend. It doesn't matter about the church you attend. Where there's a beginning, you must have a end. Humanity, them kill them family and friends. We have valuable blessings in abundance. We healthy, so we have good substance. All when them try to mislead, we no response. Keep your head, keep your distance. Health over wealth, materialism. We don't put that in. Cool FM, blessed love. Yeah. Big up Carl One Blood. To all those mothers out there who bring forth their child, and all the fathers who stand responsibility to become the man and the woman of tomorrow. She's having my baby. She's such a beautiful lady. She's having my baby. She's having my baby and I feel so glad. Although sometimes she make me get so mad. People try to tear us apart, but apart from mama, you're the closest to my heart. She's having my baby and I know that's true. She's bringing a life in this world that is new. I know Jah will see us through. A man got to do what a man is supposed to do. Rise up this morning and she told me that she wasn't feeling well. The love that we made couple weeks before, yes I can tell. This is not immaculate conception. She's having my baby cause we make sweet love and affection. We never use no protection, never no abortion. So, having my baby and I feel so glad. Although sometimes she make me get so mad. People try to tear us apart, but apart from Papa, you're the closest to my heart. Having my baby and I know that's true. She's bringing a life in this world that is new. I know Jah will see us through. A man got to do what a man is supposed to do. She's having my baby and I feel so glad. Although sometimes she make me get so mad. People try to tear us apart, but apart from mama, you're the closest to my heart. Having my baby and I know that's true. She's bringing a life in this world that is new. I know Jah will see us through. A man got to do what a man is supposed to do. Rise up this morning and she told me that she wasn't feeling well. The love that we made couple weeks before, yes I can tell. This is not immaculate conception. She's having my baby cause we make sweet love and affection. We never use no protection, we burn out abortion. So, having my baby and I feel so glad. Yeah, Cool FM, Mikey Thompson. Big up. Yeah, One Blood Card.
This morning on the nation's coolest Cool 97 FM, formerly known as Alcatraz. He's a sing-J delivering a mix of eclectic musical genres. He's worked with the likes of Steely and Clevie, among others. And we're looking out for his project. He says November, December, the album should drop. Yeah, it's 16 tracks. Okay, we're looking forward to it, and we wish him the success. All right, so coming up next, we have hitting our stage another lady, Soba. And I'm trying to figure out how she got this name. You know, some people switch the name around and they read it reverse order. Is that how she got it? No, we're going to find out. The name Soba, good morning to you. How did you get that name?
Good morning. So Soba was actually kind of a crowdsourced name between my friends and I. Mm-hmm. You know, apparently there's a story that ironically I don't remember where I was...
Okay.
We were at like a restaurant / bar. We were actually at Janga's, and there was a situation where people were like, "Yo, Sydney, you're drunk. And I was like, no, man, I'm sober. You know? And so it kind of became like a running joke to say, yo, you know, yeah, I'm sober. And so, yeah, that's kind of
an interesting stage name. I like it. All right. So what got you so intrigued by music?
Well, honestly, I've been singing since I was just a girl. My mom used to do vocal warm-ups with me in the house, you know, and also my dad is a legend in the reggae industry, Limey Murray.
Okay.
And so, you know, that kind of got me started on training my voice and growing up to become the kind of singer that I am. You know, so that's kind of, it's like I never have any other choice but to do music.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we know your dad. All right. So describe your style. Because if we look at your fashion sense, I want to see if it equates to your fashion sense. All right, so so tell us now.
So, I mean, I don't know. Right now, as a brand new artist, you know, you kind of spend time looking for your identity and stuff like that. As a Jamaican, you know, and as somebody who wants to represent my country, reggae obviously is the way to go. You know, I love reggae. You know, I fell in love with it almost recently. You know, to say, yo, at this point, it's like there's no direction I can go but reggae. However, we do definitely draw from R&B and pop and other kinds of rock styles, you know.
Who?
Well, I mean, obviously, we're talking about our modern reggae revivalists, you know, Proto,
yeah, the whole group of them.
Chronix, Leela, you know, and I have great admiration and I draw inspiration from them, as well as R&B artists, you know, like Jasmine Sullivan, Her. I would probably say those are my two favorites, Tori Kelly, you know, and of course, pop artists as well, in terms of just the smoothness, the rhythm, you know, of pop, and the, yeah.
You have a single, Synonym.
Yes, yeah.
Did you write that one?
Of course, girl, I'll be writing all my songs.
All right. Okay, so tell us about Synonym.
So, basically, I had worked at the police station for about a year and a half. And during that time, I was working as a social worker in the victim support unit.
Okay.
So, I got to see a lot of excruciating situations. You know, I've seen parents holding their dying children in their arms from gun violence. You know, I've seen extreme poverty. I've seen persons looking down on other persons due to that kind of inner city lifestyle and everything. And just having been in that environment, I wrote Synonym from a place of like, yo, when we really take a stack of it, we not protect the youth living in the country. You know, we're not really and truly trying to make better for the next generation.
Yes.
And as an older generation, that onus would fall on the older generation to prepare the younger generation, you know, to actually live life and do better, you know. So kind of Synonym kind of came out of that.
All right. Now, let's see. What are your hopes for the future? What is it you're expecting to do? Naturally, everybody wants to go international, but expand on that.
Well, as much as I want to go international and I want to be what would be a quote-unquote big artist, I also want to make an impact. You know, the reason I write songs like Synonym, you know, and like they say, aside from the other love songs that I've written, those are partially written out of wanting to be an influence. You know, I want persons to listen to my music and really think, you know, how can I be a better person? You know, how can this make me, you know, have the urge, you know, to do better and be better, you know. So I'm really into social work. I actually have a bachelor's degree in social work, and it's my second passion of mine. And I want to start foundations, and I want to be involved in my community and that kind of thing. You know, so I feel like music can definitely push me in the direction of being able to do that, you know, easily. You know.
Okay. All right. So we're going to hear from Soba as soon as we're through with our Cool Flight Pack. The commercials on the other side of the half an hour. And you know what? We're going to just ask her to take up her position on the outside. We're going to be streaming, remember, KOOL97fm.com. You go to the Live Tuesday tab once you hit us up on our website, and that way you'll be able to see her performance. Now, Cool 97 FM is completing this half an hour as we go to the flights. Stay with us. The nation's coolest Cool 97 has much more for you. Thank you to FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Call 876-649-0386. Good morning to you and welcome. For our Cool Flight Pack, we're going to start with the departures and then we'll move to the arrivals. I'm Diane Thomas. And we have at this time JetBlue Airways B62356 departing Mobay for Newark at 10 a.m. JetBlue Airways B61576 departs Kingston for Fort Lauderdale at 5 minutes after 10. There's JetBlue Airways B6522 departing Mobay for Orlando at 10:21 a.m. American Airlines AA2300 departs Mobay for Miami at 10:35 a.m. JetBlue Airways B61360 departs Kingston for New York at 10:50 a.m. And we have Intercaribbean Airways JY08. That flight departs the Ian Fleming International Airport, Boscobel St. Mary for Providenciales at 11 a.m. American Airlines AA1349 out of Mobay heads to New York at 5 minutes after 11. Cool 97 FM reminds departing passengers to continue listening to us. Anywhere in the world you can log on to our website. It is www.kool97fm.com. Arrivals. We have JetBlue Airways B62357. That flight out of Newark is scheduled to arrive in Montego Bay, the Sangster International Airport, at 8:59 a.m. And Cool 97 FM welcomes all arriving passengers to our island. We're inviting you to join us at 3 minutes to the hour when we'll have another cool flight pack for you right here on Cool 97 FM. Coming up, we have your time signal. We also have Power Thoughts, quite a few commercials, and then we hit the stage once again with Soba. All right.
Express from 15 locations island-wide and enjoy daily connections to and from the Montego Bay and Kingston airports. Book your ticket today at knutsfordexpress.com. Knutsford Express, your flight connector, moving what matters.
And at the time, courtesy of Knutsford Express, your flight connector, moving what matters, is 8 o'clock.
Cool 97 Radio.
Years from now, we'll be more disappointed with the things we didn't do than the things we did. If we don't have the courage today to explore, dream, and discover new things, then what's the point of living? Ask yourself, why did I start doing what I'm doing now? Is it because I enjoyed the thrill, the challenge of it? Or is it the decent pay and the good benefits, plus everyone else feels like you're the perfect fit for this job? If you started off being passionate about it, then figure out what changed and find out how to take it back. If you're doing something because it's what everyone else thinks you should do and you don't necessarily agree, then take a deep breath and figure out how to get paid for doing the things that you love. Life is too short to be doing what you don't like. And whatever you decide to do, commit yourself fully. Do it cleanly. And don't look back. That's your power thought for today. I'm Rosamond Brown. Talk to you next time. If you missed this program or you just want to hear it again, go to cool97fm.com and click on podcasts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cool 97 TV on YouTube for more cool content.
Do you know what it will cost to rebuild your home in the event of damage? Will you be out of pocket if you have a claim? Don't wait! Find out if your property is adequately insured with MSC McKay's Property Rebuild Valuation Service. Visit mscmckay.com today. MSC McKay, we value your future.
Are you ready? This Labor Day, Dunns is having our first clearance yard sale. See out! Selected items marked down to as low as $1,000. From hardware and electrical supplies to bathroom fixtures, furniture, lighting, and home decor. Come in store for a chance to win exciting prizes and giveaways. Visit us at 15 3/4 Red Hills Road from May 22nd to May 26th and unleash the power of purple with deals like never before. For everything home, consider it Dunns.
It's another Cool 97 FM pop-up flash sale.
Buy one, get one absolutely free. Approved products only. Cool 97 FM, the station that keeps on giving. Don't have a sales agent? Then visit us on cool97fm.com and call us soon. The savings are unbeatable. The Cool 97 pop-up flash sale from now until Wednesday, May 22. Buy one, get one free.
My HR Plus has been a game changer since its implementation. Employees have greater access and control over their personal information. They can view their records online, track monthly payments, and the big deal is printing their own payslip without waiting on HR. I am Julian Tomlinson, Human Resources Manager at GIS, and I endorse My HR Plus in building a better public sector.
Brought to you by the Transformation Implementation Unit.
Jamaica, let's spread the word around to let the world know that we are proud to be one republic. We on the road to republic. Well then, let's propel we nation moving forward in a new direction. True independence, that's the projection. No more dependency, it's the best plan. Yes, we know what's best for us, cause we want the country prosperous. So make we just pull together as the general public while on the road to republic. Jamaica, let's spread the word around to let the world know that we are proud to be one republic. We on the road to republic.
A message from the Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs.
We on the road to republic.
Mental health is a condition that impacts us all. As we commemorate Mental Health Month, our mission is clear: raise awareness and dismantle the stigma surrounding mental health challenges.
The COVID-19 pandemic brought unique challenges to our mental health. Many of us experienced increased stress, anxiety, and isolation. It's important to acknowledge these challenges and find healthy ways to cope. Whether it's staying connected with friends and family, practicing relaxation techniques, or seeking professional support, taking care of our mental health is more important than ever. If you need help to cope, call 888-NEW-LIFE. That's 888-639-5433, a unit of the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
As a man living with HIV, a regular day for me, not much different from yours. I have to wake up and go to people and work in the traffic, but then when we reach, we can run some joke with my co-worker them. Sometimes we link up after work, or play ball, or just dip on my ends and kick back before we go home. You see how much we have in common?
People living with HIV are a part of our community. Make up power, protect, accept, and respect. A message from the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
Need non-drug treatment options or a second opinion? Ask for Dr. Winston Dawes at Mahogany Health and Fitness, specializing in long-term effects of COVID, rheumatoid arthritis, shingles, chick V pains, and endometriosis. Call Dr. Winston Dawes today at 876-376-7735. Visit Unit 69, that's Winchester Business Centre. Dr. Winston Dawes, relief for your chronic pain. And Labor Days are coming, so come to Stewart's Hardware for all your Labor Day supplies and enjoy discounts on selected items. Looking to finally fixing up that old home or office? Let Stewart's help you. Visit their locations in Maypen, Mandeville and Old Harbour, or send in your orders on WhatsApp at 876-820-7500 or email customer service at stewartshardware.com. Stewart's Hardware and Home Centre, building values. Here we go now, back to Live Tuesday. Coming to you from the studios of Cool 97 FM, the top morning program on Cool 97 FM. And this segment is brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, PA system and audio support provided by KeyMix Audio. The mix is key. Remember, watch the live stream by visiting KOOL97fm.com and clicking on the Live Tuesday tile. So coming up, Soba. She's going to be performing for us for the next few minutes.
Sinadel
sin on them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them and them innocent. Scream on them. Them bursting at the seams. Them smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. Cause I sin on them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them and them innocent. Scream on them. Them bursting at the seams. Them smiling at your face, but on a cold night in a dim light, when a war zone is a street fight, some know them heart no clean. When a young girl hear a footstep and her last look is her last look, some know them heart no clean. When every altercation is a bloody situation, when government say rival more than them say education, when youths learn to look this instant gratification. Some know, say I sin on them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them at them innocence. Scream on them. Them bursting at the seams. Them smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. Cause I seen of them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them at them innocence. Scream on them bursting at the seams. Yeah, never what they seem. We offer daily bread, but every human on this land living in daily dread, and we allow the youths to be misled. Forgive us, God, for what we do, and show us what to do instead. Show us what to do instead. Fathers rather run the road than build a home and be the head. Mothers let temptation turn them eyes from what the scripture said. Train a child how we should go, and he will not depart from it. Too many people with tears in their eyes. Too many people, them wonder if them go come back alive. Sin of them, oh, badness get all of them. Rob them at them innocent, scream at them. Bursting at the seams, and smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. Cause I seen of them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them at them innocence. Scream at them. Bursting at the seams. No, no, no. Them bursting at the seams. No, no. Them heart no clean. No, 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 no. Heart no clean. Say oh, 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 oh. Them smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. No, no. I as a wise one take the time and try. Happy only comes from within, but I know better. I know they say only fools go rushing, but I as a wise one take the time and try. Happy only comes from within, but I know better. I know everywhere I go in this God's blessed land, I'm sent a keeper to guide my hand. Never been alone or forsaken, yeah. Though sometimes it feels I'm at a dead end, it's true. Every now and then we all find the time to trust a friend, but who among men don't face the moment when them hard men? They say only fools go rushing, but I as a wise one take my time and try. Happy only comes from within, but I know better. I know, no. Every situation happens for a reason. I'm not so scared to fall, cause in the end I always win. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. And so me have to use a little life until me reach the end of my life. People get so caught up in the future, and they forget they have a gift wrapped up in the cares of tomorrow. And they don't situation happens for a reason. I'm not so scared to fall, 'cause in the end I always win. Yeah. Alright, good see. But I as always want time and try. Happy only comes from within. But I know, every situation happens for a reason. I'm not so scared to fall, 'cause in the end I always win. Alright guys, this is my new release. For all you guys listening, it's not out yet, just saying, but it will be out soon, promise. Ooh, 8 a.m. on Sunday morning, woken by the light in your eyes. I said, and now what, darling? Told me that you have a surprise, and I walk into the kitchen to the sound of reggae music. And you tell me not to worry, 'cause you know I'm gonna love this. 10 fried dumpling fried at the pot this morning, baby. Ask me if I want a little lucky and savage with my cup of coffee. And you give me a reason to be grateful for my blessings. Yeah, 'cause you make every single day feel like a Sunday morning. Yeah, said I never had a moment so divine, and I hope you know there's no doubt in my mind that you're the one I'm loving for a lifetime. No need no other, no need to have no sideline. You give me a purpose when I'm looking for a lifeline. Keep my heart so steady when it's beating over time. I know that you'll be there for me in sickness or in prime time. And it is they are so fine. 10 fried dumpling fried at the pot this morning, baby. Ask me if I want a little lucky or savage with my cup of coffee. And you give me a reason to be grateful for my blessings. Yeah. You make every single day feel like a Sunday morning. Break down every single day. Grateful for all my blessings every single day. Giving me all I wanted every single day. Grateful for all my blessings every single day. Giving me all I wanted every single day. Grateful for my blessings every single day. Giving what I wanted. Oh, just like Sunday morning. Oh, 10 fried dumpling fried at the pot this morning, baby. Ask me if I want a little lucky and savage with my cup of coffee. And you give me a reason to be grateful for my blessings. Yeah. 'Cause you make every single day feel like a Sunday morning. 10 fried dumpling fried at the pot this morning. Ask me if I want a little lucky and savage with me cup of coffee. You give me a reason to be grateful for my blessings, yeah. 'Cause you make every single day feel like a Sunday morning.
17 minutes after 8 o'clock. We apologize for the late pull on that time signal. Now we're going to go to another one of our guests inside of Live Tuesday. And remember that this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you courtesy of our very good friends at FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. And remember that up next is another one of our guests, a repeat guest at that, Janelle Mills. And we're going to get a chance to speak with Janelle right now before her performance. All right, so greetings and welcome. Now, a lot has happened since you were with us the last time. Give us a little snapshot of some of the highlights for you musically since our last sit down.
Good morning, everybody. So I went on tour with Romain Virgo in the UK. I released a new single, and I've just been working.
Okay.
For sure.
Oh, nice. All right, so walk us through the production of your latest single. What's the name of it? What attracted you to this song? Who wrote it? All the good stuff.
So the latest single that I'm promoting currently now, it's called Johnny. It's a cover of Amy Winehouse's Valerie. So if you know that song, So I made it a reggae version of it, and Makiri White is a producer for that song. Big up Makiri. I had the opportunity to have some legendary musicians play on the track, like Dean Fraser, Robbie Lynn, Flower Holt, and young legends like Nicholas Grosskopf, Rowan Johnson, Yvonne Campbell, and O'Keel. So it's really good to know that the era of old and young is merged on this song. So,
that must have been, I can see why you're excited about that one.
It's a vibe.
Yes, it's so early in your career. Now, the production has a video?
Yes, it does. It does.
Okay, who was your videographer?
O3 Media. I have to big up Lando for that one, and the director for the video is Ifadel Williams.
Oh, Ifadel. All right, I know Ifadel.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So this one, how long did that whole project take?
Well, it took a while because everybody wanted it to be so good, and I'm really happy that it actually took that long because we went into details, some minor details and stuff like that. So it had to be like perfect. Well, nothing is perfect, but I'm glad that
you got
it
a chance to fine tune
everything.
All right. You've been working with a number of artists over the years, and you just mentioned that you got a chance to be with Romain Virgo on his tour.
Right.
Now, spill the beans. What was that like?
So for that particular tour, we went to the UK, and on that tour, he actually gave both of his supporting vocalists sets. So we opened the show for him, and in that set, I did Amy Winehouse's Valerie. And I noticed that the people did just, every time we sing the song, is always pull up. It's like, go again. So when I came home, I decided that, I said, Maki, we have to rectify this song and do it. But that tour was a good tour. I did loads of networking. My followers went up from that tour as well. So, we appreciate Romain. He's such a gem. Big him up all the time. But that was a good run.
Thank you for taking others along the journey, Romain. Some people, they're just contented with their promotion, and somehow the backup singers never get a chance to step forward. But nice to see that he has noticed the skill set and is promoting you as well. So what lessons are you going to be taking from your work as a background vocalist and feeding into your work now as a main act? Because it looks like that's a trajectory for you.
Well, now, the more focus is on me now. So, working with these artists, it's always like a learning ground with each and every single one of them. So whoever I work with back then, whoever I'm working with now, I always try to incorporate, like how they react with the audience, how they engage with the audience, like how they warm up before show, how they pace themselves through shows and all of that. So all of that is just basically learning ground for me.
Do you find yourself viewing, because there's a lot of content on social media, but do you find yourself, for example, watching concerts of some major acts?
Of course.
To see how they work the stage, how they present themselves, all of those fine elements.
Yes.
All right, because you would be looking at performances through a different lens than the ordinary person, or certainly what you used to be like before you got into the music business.
True, and now I'm glad. I'm very happy that I can, listen music and be a fan of music as well, not just, as an artist, but I'm glad I get the opportunity, to be a fan of other artists.
Okay, so what's next for you?
just building the catalog, letting the world, not just only Jamaica, but letting the world know who Jania Mills is, and, you know, just promote good conscious music all the time because we have talent, and, you know, the world needs to see what we're able to do. So, yeah.
Okay. Now, as an act, do you find yourself looking out for individuals who you just might realize, you know, that one has talent? Whether it is that you go to church and you hear somebody sing, whether it is that you know, Jamaicans have this habit of they walking the street and you just hear them building a song, that kind of thing. Do you find yourself doing that?
Yeah, I mean, you have to support the youths. I mean, because, you know, I tell you what, I actually did not think that I was gonna be a main act. None at all. I was okay with just being a supporting vocalist, but you know, these artists encouraged me, and I'm glad that they did, and it did something for me because I lacked confidence, and fear was one of the things that held me back from, you know, being upfront. So I'm actually glad that I got the motivation. But the youths, them, like, they need the encouragement and the support all the time, so you have to just support them in their vision.
We're going to hear from you. You're going to hit our stage right now. Perform for us. Let's hear the song that got the forwards on the but have fun. Whatever you do, have fun when you're out there, all right? So we look forward, and thanks for making it Cool 97 FM yet again.
She's a young Trisha Dan, and we'll hear more from her.
Yeah, okay. All right. So this is Cool 97 FM. The segment is brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. And we have a final half an hour that will start at 8:30, taking us up to 9, and that's brought to us by Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. But you'll hear more. And our final guest this morning will be Hugo Barrington. Right now, Jania Mills takes to our stage.
Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. 'Cause since I'm coming home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. So won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Johnny? Johnny. Jail. I put your house on up for sale. Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you find the right girl who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere or change the color of your hair? Are you busy? Did you have to pay the fine? Go ahead and stream it. Now this one is done by one of my favorite artists, Auntie Marcia. Big up yourself. I was drawn into myself, observing all this time. From every angle that I see, my people you meet in hell. The brothers have turned to crime, so they die from time to time. We'd like to ask you leaders, what have you got in mind? But I see the fire spreading, it's getting hotter and hot. The haves will wanna be in the shoes of the have-nots. If the sign is on your door, then you will be safe for sure. But if you are in pretense, you're on the wrong side of the fence. The fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. The fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. Fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. Now another one by the Queen.
Commercial.
6279. The time by Gorman Corporation is 8:30 a.m.
Hi, I'm Gabriela Garcia. Here's a cool message for Child Month. Somewhere inside all of us is the power to change the world.
This is the GOJ Minute for Tuesday, May 21. Minister of National Security Dr. Harish Chang says the government is acquiring a coastal radar system, offshore patrol vessels, and technological solutions to manage and regulate security and movements at ports of entry, particularly in the country's airports. The Electronic Health Records EHR system is now operational at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, with full implementation set for the end of this month. Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Friday handed over 106 titles for residential serviced lots to beneficiaries under Phase 1 of the National Housing Trust NHT New Friendship Oaks development in Goshen, St. Elizabeth. And WPM Waste Management Limited has commenced work to discontinue the use of several areas across Hanover for garbage disposal. Several sites have been identified for cleanup and discontinued use. That was the GOJ Minute. For more information about these and other stories, visit jis.gov.jm.
A production of the Jamaica Information Service, the voice of Jamaica.
Touching lives every day, so many different ways, a part of all you do. Sagicor will make you feel secure, reaching out for more, will always see you through. Reach for more, whatever you're dreaming, whatever your goals, will help you achieve them. You're never alone. Taking care of today's needs, take care of tomorrow's dreams. Every day helping you succeed, that's what Sagicor means. Today's needs, tomorrow's dreams. Sagicor.
This vehicle safety and maintenance tip is brought to you by Hyundai Jamaica, giving you reasons to dream and drive. Basic gas replacement and air you can handle. However, for all other service and maintenance needs, visit Hyundai Service Center. Their expert team will diagnose your car's issue and have you safely back on the road in no time. Extend the life of your Hyundai. Trust their experts. Catering to all our customers across the island, Hyundai Service Center boasts state-of-the-art servicing equipment, a comprehensive parts inventory, and Hyundai-trained service technicians. Our team is the expert that ensures that you get the best from your Hyundai. This tip is brought to you by Hyundai Jamaica, giving you reasons to dream and drive.
wine a your tongue. You know wine a your tongue. Drive smart, no ramp. Wine a your tongue. If a 87 you fi use, put the 87 in a your tongue. Fi know which fuel you use. Vehicle manual fine. Enough car in a Jamaica make fi use 87. And a petrol refining. So use the octane for the car where you're driving. And let me tell you some more. If a 87 your vehicle use, you are rev up the savings for sure. Know your tank fuel right, your pocket a go smile. Rev up the savings, savings on every mile. Brought to you by Petrojam, serving Jamaica's energy needs.
Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. Text In Tuesday is sponsored by
Lanco Paints, durable by nature.
Quintana Pharmacy, it's all good inside.
Home and Things Limited, brands you know, brands you can trust.
A 1 in a million dad deserves a 1 in a million brand. Bill Edwards annual Father's Day sale, June 7 to 22. Treat dad to the Bill Edwards experience. Get massive discounts up to 75% off store-wide, including our timeless women's wear collection. Gift cards are available. Saturday, June 15. The experience. Turn up and chill with the man himself and enjoy champagne and refreshment courtesy of Craven Passions. Bill Edwards Factory Boutique, 5 West Ivy Green, Crescent, Kingston 5. Call 906-1222. Follow Bill Edwards on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
Wayne, it happened again. People keep coming up to me bigging up Flo Yardan Road. One lady stopped me in the supermarket to say she loves Yardan Road because she gets both internet and mobile in one plan and how much money she saves. Then I saw this guy who told me that the internet speed is super fast.
Guy? What guy?
No, and his girlfriend. She's a blogger, so she uses the unlimited social media when she's on the road.
I knew they would love it. Told you so.
No, I told you so.
No, I told you so.
Get Flo Yardan Road, the one for all today. Visit discoverflow.co or a Flo store for more information.
The Cool 97 FM team will keep you informed as we broadcast live from the Caribbean Public Sector Financial Management Conference at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. It's under the theme, Creating a Sustainable Resilience and Value-Adding Sector. Stay tuned for the engaging discussions with financial experts from 9 a.m. to noon on Wednesday, May 22. This broadcast is brought to you by the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service in partnership with the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants and the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Jamaica. That's a live broadcast at the Caribbean Public Sector Financial Management Conference, Wednesday, May 22, from 9 a.m. to noon.
It's another Cool 97 FM pop-up flash sale. Buy one, get one, absolutely free. Approved products only. Cool 97 FM, the station that keeps on giving. Don't have a sales agent? Then visit us on cool97fm.com and call us soon. The savings are unbeatable. The Cool 97 pop-up flash sale from now until Wednesday, May 22. Buy one, get one free.
For all your air conditioning and refrigeration needs, there is only one place to go. Comfort Systems Limited. At Comfort Systems, we offer the latest in inverter technology and products best suited for your indoor and vehicular environmental comfort. We carry a wide range of AC and refrigeration parts and accessories, refrigerants, copper pipes and tubings, and more. Try our Ice Long brand of refrigerants and see why technicians everywhere are recommending it. With offices in Kingston, Ocho Rios, and Montego Bay, we are within easy reach. Call 960-528-425 and we'll take it from there. Comfort Systems Limited, bringing comfort to you.
Don't miss it. New Budget Supplies pre-Labor massive yard sale. 5 crazy days.
New Budget gone crazy.
May 17th to 22.
Yes, boy.
Clearance on old or damaged stock up to 50% off. Including lumber, doors, toilets, drywalls, PVC pipes, and clearance on broken tiles.
I want some of that.
We've got specials on paints, film face ply, zinc, and so much more.
I want that too.
You can't afford to miss this crazy yard sale.
That New Budget, do it again.
Live Tuesday continues on Cool 97 FM, and this segment of the program is brought to you by the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Ask about their vegan veggie bowls at major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. We're returning to our stage with Janelle Mills.
new song. And it's called Holding Strong. And if you're listening in your car or you're listening in your house right now, let this be a prayer to you. Keep on holding strong. Jah give me melody to sing my song, and give me the courage in this life to stay strong. Me holding on, me holding strong. Me holding on, me holding strong. The dirty tough one, there's a raging storm. No matter stress, I make you hold the calm. Me holding on, me holding strong. Me holding on. Cool FM. Hey, love and like the message where I come from my lips. Why not to the wise I make you listen my script? Jah will never leave me when problems are grieve me. Keep on believing, watch the blessing you receive. It's just the fire that burns within me. I can't depart to sweet a victory. It's my desire that Jah will bless me. So lay your message on my heart and words upon my lips to say, Jah give me the melody to sing my song, and give me the courage in this life to stay strong. Me holding on, holding strong. Me holding on, me holding strong. The dirty tough one, there's a raging storm. No matter stress, I make you hold the calm. Holding on, holding strong. Holding on. Hey, it better be lead and be repeat. There's your mistakes in the streets. I be believe in yourself. Great things I'm sure you'll achieve. Your feet have been firm, be follow your dreams. Oh gosh, we know it harder. Still give praises to the Father. Yesterday I was weak, but I am strong today. Love not have the courage, so they run away from the pressures of this life, but I will find a way. I will find a way. Jah give me melody to sing my song, and give me the courage in this life to stay strong. Me holding on, me holding strong. Me holding on, me holding strong. The dirty tough one is the dirty tough one is no matter stress I make you hold the calm. Me holding on, holding strong. Holding on, me holding strong. Whoa. Holding strong.
All right, so we truly have been entertaining you. Janelle Mills. Thanks, Janelle. And we look forward to hearing more from you in the coming months. Now we have seated here in studio Hugo Barrington, one of those professionals who has managed to do the balance study and entertainment. Yeah, he's a lawyer. You better believe it, an attorney at law. And he has a musical career. Now, greetings and welcome back to Cool 97 FM. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, Dan. Giving thanks and thanks for having us.
Absolute pleasure. Now, from we heard the promo that you're coming to Cool, you just hear people, la-di, la-di. Talk to us about that iconic song. It's Loving is a Thing, apparently was the original title.
Yes, yes.
But is it that because the public kept singing la-di, la-di, that you changed the title, renamed it, and who wrote it, who produced it?
Right. I wrote the song, King Jammys produced it. So Loving is a Thing was the studio title.
Yes.
And so maybe for copyright purposes, Loving is a Thing. But the street called it Lordy Lordy. So I had no option but to join with them.
I think that is the title that would stick.
Yes.
So you have more recordings, and currently there is a single that you're promoting, Secret Affair?
Yes, yes.
Give us some details on that song.
All right, so Secret Affair was done from the early 70s by a keyboardist called Errol Levy, and he had done a version of it. And but from childhood days, I'd liked the song, so I said, boy, I wanted to give my interpretation to the song.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, we went in the studio and produced by King's Crown Music, which is run by Charlie Chaplin in Jamaica and Sean Bala Walsh in Canada.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. All right, so give us a bit more about the song. Tell us a bit more. Because is this the one with Dennis Brown?
No.
Or do you have another one that features Dennis Brown?
Right. Well, we had written a number of songs for Dennis Brown, working with Bertie Carr. I was at law school at the time. But we did not complete that project. Dennis Brown had passed on. So, But we had completed a song called Borrowed Angel, which, the producer, Mr. Bertie Carr, I invite him to do something with that song,
Wow.
Yeah. So we had recorded about 4 songs, and then Dennis had passed on. So we hadn't completed the project.
Oh. But what was that like?
Yeah, it was wonderful, And
right.
I'd also written one for Gregory called Report to Me, Gregory Isaacs. Disrespect is no laughing matter, Myself and Mikey Bennett wrote that one for Gregory Isaacs. So working with these icons, a wonderful experience.
I can imagine that. Wow. All right, so we're going to be hearing from you this morning. And what else are you going to be doing in the coming months musically?
Right, so having been off the scene for a while, we're actually putting together some new material in the studio. You test the market, and you watch it from there, Nothing is predictable. That's one thing with music. It's, makes it interesting. It's unpredictable.
Any stages you're going to hit soon?
Yes, at Yasso Safari has a poetry and music festival in August. So, God willing, I should be on that. He has requested photo and bio, etc. We have sent that to him. And I know the Mustard Seed community, they'll be having their fundraising. It was postponed due to circumstances with the arrival of the Haitians, so I'll be on that also, and a couple other engagements.
All right, keep us posted.
Yes.
Well, thanks for being our guest on Cool 97. All right,
my pleasure.
We have to try and get you to perform for us this morning. All right, P. Diddy, get ready. This song you've been listening out for is going to be done here on Cool 97 FM. And we want to say thank you to our sponsors. Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at major supermarkets island-wide. Call them at 876-458-9859. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Key Mix Audio, the mix is key. Thank you ever so much for the PA and sound support. And Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries. White Marl, St. Catherine. 876-649-0386. To the team of Mikey T, Noran Price, Paul Dennis, Edson Johnson, Yashika Graham. We say thank you to all of you and to the rest of the Airtel Cool team members who made this broadcast possible. We want to say thank you to our performers, Traz Dejanic, Soba, Janelle Mills, Hugo Barrington, and we also have to acknowledge Lady the Flame. Thank you all, along with your supporting band, Strikers Band. All right.
Thomas is announcing, Lord of mercy. such a love affair, baby. Was I so wrong? Is it over now? Over now? Tell me, is there a chance for us?
Yeah, give thanks to the Father Almighty. Yeah, and we bless School FM for all the exposure to the creative performers.
Lordy, Lordy, we love to party. Whoa, whoa, So you make grow the people. Yeah, you make grow the people. Yeah, me grow the people. Whoa, I do not like to sing unless it's lots of style and fashion. My purpose in the era is to nice up this session. The lyrics of me must always have a word of caution. Got the right way we have to teach this younger generation that loving is a thing. You can't get too much. Reggae music is a thing. You can't get too much. Your blessing is a thing. You can't get too much too much. I never too much. Cause anything me sing, me say it's originated. But virus in my come, me say I them I imitate it. Girls in my come and tell me you go say we rate you. And Friday evening come me say they really wanna date me so melt out. But never too melt out. Lordy, Lordy, we left to party. Whoa, whoa, So you make grow the people. Yeah, you make grow the people. You make grow the people. Whoa,
Yeah, blessings and give thanks. Kaimai, known as Purple, providing some harmony. Blessings. Big up Charlie Chaplin, King's Crown Music, Teddy Ladley Productions.
her eyes are like the stars, and her lips like rarest wine, and the softness of her love is only mine, and the sweetness of her kisses makes me do just as she wishes, for a love that comes once in a lifetime. She is my secret affair. She's the answer to my every prayer. She's so sweet, she takes my breath away, stays with me both night and day. And I know our love is here to stay. And I know our love is here to stay. Our love is here to stay. No one else can know the joy that is mine each time we meet. No one else can hear the music when she speaks. Now then, is there any wonder? She's the girl that I'm fond of. She's the one and only one, and I repeat. She is my secret affair. She's the answer to my every prayer. She's so sweet, she takes my breath away, stays with me both night and day.
give thanks and to all the listeners of Cool FM. A blessed Tuesday. Final selection.
It's a Cool 97 FM early morning party. Live Tuesday kicks off May 21 from 7 to 9 a.m. with featured performances from the legendary Hugo Barrington. But first, we're catching up with Traz the Genic. Then we hear from Soba. And Janelle Mills takes to the stage with new music. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, on air and streaming on cool97fm.com. It's brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, and Key Mix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97.